What's going on, you guys? Here's I made $3,000 trading the Nasdaq this morning, copy trading across three XFAs. Okay, caught a very nice short position, roughly 40 points to the downside. Price has been very choppy these past couple of days, but luckily today we actually got some nice delivery and some nice PA. All right, guys. Market open at 9:30. Here's the recap of it. 9:30 at the beginning, we started chopping very hard, and I said, shit, maybe today is gonna be another fucking choppy day where we get no direction. Luckily, we ended up having a liquidity sweep and tapped into a higher time from PDRA, which are the confluences I need in order to take a trade. Here are London's highs, and here are these New York lows being presented as equal lows around here, which is a very big magnet to price. Okay, which also I use as confluence into the short position. All right. Over here, once market opened, we ended up sweeping London's highs around 950. Okay. And price tapped into this 15-minute bearish for value gap. All right, guys, which I also use as confluence. This wick and this wick, this gap in between. Okay. We tapped it and rejected it right from there. For my entry, okay, I did not have a nice presented 1 minute for value gap around here prior to my entry, but I did have some nice displacement. The one thing I did have was an inversion of this 5 minute bullish for value gap. All right. Ideally, I wanted to see this get ran through before I enter position for more confluence. But even though I did not see it get ran through before entering, I saw some nice momentum and I saw some bearish displacement to the downside. Okay. Even though I did not get a previous fair value gap on the 1 minute right around here, I got the change in the state of delivery instead. Besides, we already swept London's and we already tapped into a higher time from PDRA, which is this 15-minute bullish for value gap. All right, guys. At this displacement down, I knew price was gonna melt from here potentially, right? We closed below all these previous candlesticks. I entered at the momentum once I saw price mitigate the 5 minute bullish for value gap. Okay, and luckily it worked in my favor. The only 1 minute we created, which was this wiki 1 minute bearish for value gap, all right, which at least it got respected. I entered right around here with two contracts, and I caught 40 points to the downside, making $1,024 across all my accounts. Okay, this is the one I actually executed on. As you guys can see, I copy traded across them all with a total profit of $3,000. This trade took about maximum 9 to 10 minutes, which is pretty fucking cool. Performance stats are looking great. I'm happy with today's trade. Possibly will not be trading Fridays because they're low probabilities for me, but we will in no time get these fucking payouts. Okay, good price action today. Executed my edge, no hesitation, no reservation. We're fucking printing, we're fucking eating. That's the trade I took today, guys. Quick recap. Nice 40-point banger. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Let's fucking go.